Okay guys, back. Ano yun?
I really
Pangit
need to
ng
use your
kuya
bathroom.
natin.
Please, I'll be quick. Forget it. I'll just find a bush or something.
Lalaki ka, umihi ka sa grass. Ay, no, pindot. Well, dali, explore tayo.
Explore, ano gagawin niyo? Balik yung bawal niyo. Okay. Wait lang, gusto na niya ipakita yung... Ah! Dito nag-spawn yung monster! Dito sila nag-spawn!
Ah,
I'm here to fix the leaking bath faucet.
My parents didn't tell me about that.
I just go where the work order sends me. Open the door and I'll get it fixed real quick.
May I ask something, guys?
Fine, enjoy the dripping den.
You wanna go outside in the map? I don't know, guys. Okay, you got to go to green boat and push the... Yeah, but that's the bottom.
like and subscribe, yes.
Or you can follow me.
Something's coming. You know? Ay, kala ko bunga nga, nakabukas wide. Tingnan ng paper.
We started emergency water work on your street tonight.
Okay.
Your water's probably running brown by now.
Seriously?
Bel, check mo nga.
Go check. I have a notice with the details if you can open the door. Hello? This concerns your house water.
Okay, bumalik ka na. Bumalik ka na?
Fine. Don't say we didn't warn you.
Ha? Tingin?
Andito yung brother. Pero andito yung kitchen sa brother.
Isa. What happened? Yoko nga. Guys, oh!
Walking home. Are you okay? I don't know where I am. Can you bring me a phone so I can call home? Okay, I'll just keep walking then.
Antayin mo lang. Aantay ka lang pag nag 6 o'clock na rito. Pwede ka rin din gumawa ng content doon. Kung gusto mo. May papunta na. Every time magapunta sila rito. Magapunta sila rito tapos dito.
You got any food in there? I haven't eaten in 2 days. All right, friend. Enjoy your full belly.
Your full belly, aggressive guy. Kumain ka na ng magandang flowers. Ang sarap-sarap. Made of sila. Diyan kasi kami nag-iisari. Bell, oh. I think this is the ending.
Ayan, dito na ako.
That's on you.
Kunin, hindi ako ma-charge.
Ba, ano yun?
Suntukin ka na. Yay, yay. Magagawa ka Vampire to.
Antay ka lang.
Yay.
Good evening. Could I step inside for a moment?
Shut
Why?
I've been
Shut
out
the-
in the cold for hours.
Shut the
May I
hell,
use
Mr.
your
Vampire.
kitchen to make myself a tea, please.
Huh?
Just
Wait lang.
invite me in. A shame. I only wanted a warm drink for the night.
Pag nag-turn on yung lights, may LPG to.
Nagutot sana ako.
I'm home. You're okay. Thank God. You made it through the night. But I see you didn't earn enough allowance money. I know you tried your best. I'm not mad, but you know what this means. No reward this time. We'll try again tomorrow night.